Think $100 isn't enough to start investing? Think again. Even a small amount can get you started on building wealth and learning the ropes of investing. In this video, I'll show you how to invest your first $100 smartly. First, ask yourself, what's the goal of this investment? Are you experimenting, saving for the future, or learning about the market? Knowing your goal helps you pick the right investment type. You don't need a big brokerage account. Look for platforms that allow small investments with low fees, like micro-investing apps, robo-advisors, or commission-free brokers. Keep costs minimal. With just $100, diversification is key. Index funds or ETFs let you invest in many companies at once, reducing risk while you grow steadily. Avoid picking individual stocks unless you're ready to learn. Even small regular contributions matter more than one-time large investments. Commit to adding a few dollars each week or month. Consistency allows compounding to work over time. To get the most from your $100, reinvest any gains or dividends. Don't withdraw them. Let your investment grow faster through compounding. Use this first investment as a learning opportunity, track performance, read about different assets, and understand risk. Knowledge gained now helps with bigger investments later. Investing isn't a sprint. Even small amounts grow slowly at first, but with patience and consistency, your money can grow significantly over time. Start today, even with just $100. Your first $100 is just the beginning. Start small, keep costs low, diversify, reinvest, and stay consistent. Every big investment started with a first step. This is yours.